Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Kulsum from Kashmir Public School Unisoo Handwara. I am your science teacher. Hope you all are fine. So today we will start with the 7th chapter of class 6th science. And this chapter we will talk about getting to know plants. So in this lesson we are going to learn about plants, types of plants and parts of plants. So dear listeners, you all know very well plants are found everywhere. They are living things like animals and humans. They do not move but they grow. Plants need water and sunlight to grow. Plants are very important for us. We are dependent on plants for food, oxygen, wood, medicine, etc. So, my dear listeners, when we go outside in park and garden and look around us, we see different kinds of plants. Some plants are tall, some are short, and some are weak. And their body parts like stems, roots, flowers, and fruits are also different. For understanding all these plants, we have classified them into different categories like trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. So, let us start our discussion with trees. So, dear listeners, trees are like they are huge. So, when you talk about them, they are definitely very tall. So, dear listeners, if you compare the height of trees with your height, so how would you see? So, you see that trees are much bigger than you. You look very small in front of a tree. Generally, they have a big brown woody stem which is called a trunk. You can see here it is very big, broad and woody. Means it is full of wood. Dear listeners, you don't find the branches at the bottom of the stem. Only after reaching certain height, you can find the branching. There are so many branches which are filled with leaves, and it forms an umbrella-like shape as collar. These plants need a large space for spreading their branches. Most of the birds, insects, and animals live in and on trees. So, dear listeners, usually these plants live for longer time. Some examples of trees are neem tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, etc. So now let's pick up the shrubs. So dear listeners, what are these shrubs? Shrubs are much bigger plants, but they are not as big as the tree. So how are the shrubs? The shrubs, they will be around your size. Sometimes a little bigger than you. So their stems are very hard compared to herbs. Herb is having a very tender stem. That means by applying a little pressure, you can break the stem. Whereas in case of shrub, stem is strong enough. It is not as like a big tree. Just think, it is the size of you or little sorry, or little much taller than you. Okay? So that is a shrub. So how are stems? You can see here stems are woody and strong. And one more important feature of the shrub is that they branches. That is, they come from base of the plant, right? So, if you observe the base of the plant, you will find so many stems arising at the base. From the base, you can find so many branches. Dear listeners, branching is done at the base. So these plants need smaller space for spreading and usually they live shorter time. Rose plant, cotton plant, etc. are some of the examples of shrubs.